My name is Ananya. I am studying 4th class. I am learning abacus from Numbers Academy.
9 minus 6 plus 1 plus 5 minus 7 minus 2.
0.
Nice. 7 minus 5 plus 2 plus 5 minus 4 plus 3.
8.
Nice. 7 minus 5 plus 2 plus 5 minus 4 minus 5.
0.
Next. 6 minus 1 plus 4 minus 8 plus 3 plus 5.
9.
Very good. Next. 9 minus 4 plus 2 plus 2 minus 7 plus 2 plus 5.
9.
Very good. Next. 5 plus 4 minus 3 minus 6 plus 9 minus 4 plus 3.
8.
Very good. Next. 7 minus 5 plus 2 plus 5 minus 4 plus 2 plus 2.
9.
Nice. Next. 7 minus 5 plus 2 minus 3 plus 8 minus 3 plus 1.
7.
Very good. Next. 9 minus 5 minus 2 minus 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1.
8.
Very good. Next. 3 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4 plus 4 minus 2 plus 2 minus 3.
6.